Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in food and ingredients. Today, we're talking about a product that's been making waves in the world of baking and snacking. 365 by Whole Foods Market Semi-Sweet Mini Chocolate Chips. If you're on the lookout for a rich, melt-in-your-mouth treat, look no further, as these are considered one of the best chocolate chips available. First, let's talk about the size. These mini chocolate chips come in a 12-ounce bag, the perfect size for your everyday baking needs or just to snack on. They're versatile, whether you're making cookies, muffins, or brownies, or adding a sweet touch to your yogurt or smoothie bowl. The mini size ensures that the chocolate chips spread evenly through your baked goods, providing a consistent sweetness with every bite. These chocolate chips have a semi-sweet flavor, making them perfect for those who want something rich but not too sugary. The balance is just right for anyone who loves a deep chocolate taste without the overpowering sweetness of milk chocolate. Whether you're using them in a dessert recipe or enjoying them on their own, they hit that perfect spot between indulgence and moderation. One of the standout features of these chips is their quality. Whole Foods Market is known for offering high-quality, natural products, and these chocolate chips are no exception. They contain a blend of simple ingredients including cane sugar, chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, milk fat, and soy lecithin, with no artificial additives or preservatives. It's a product you can feel good about enjoying, especially since it's kosher certified. In terms of sustainability, these chocolate chips are also a great choice. They come with certifications from Fair Trade, ensuring that the farming practices support ethical sourcing, which is important to many shoppers who are conscious about where their food comes from. This is a product you can feel good about, knowing that it's produced with attention to both quality and ethical standards. Not only are these chocolate chips perfect for baking, but they're also ideal for snacking. If you find yourself craving something sweet during the day, a handful of these mini chips will satisfy that chocolatey craving without going overboard. They're the kind of treat you can enjoy on their own or mix into your trail mix for an extra boost of flavor. Another great thing about these chocolate chips is their packaging. The 12-ounce bag is designed for easy storage, keeping your chips fresh and ready for whenever you want to bake or snack. The compact design also makes it easy to pour just the right amount of chocolate chips, so you won't have any waste. And if you find yourself loving them as much as many other fans, you can always buy in bulk. The taste and texture of these chocolate chips really stand out. The chips are just the right size for melting, and their semi-sweet flavor is perfect for a wide variety of recipes. Whether you're melting them down for a fondue, sprinkling them over pancakes, or incorporating them into a cookie dough, these chips hold their own and add the perfect amount of chocolate flavor. When it comes to value, 365 by Whole Foods Market Semi-Sweet Mini Chocolate Chips are a great deal for the quality you're getting. They're priced competitively compared to other similar products in the market, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and ethical sourcing. This makes them a smart choice for anyone who loves to bake or enjoys chocolatey treats at home. In conclusion, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Semi-Sweet Mini Chocolate Chips are a must-have for any chocolate lover. With their semi-sweet flavor, high-quality ingredients, and ethical certifications, they're perfect for baking, snacking, and everything in between. So if you're in the market for a delicious, sustainable, and versatile chocolate chip, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves baking or chocolate.